Hi, this is Regitze. Are your ads too expensive? If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe. And stay until the end, I have something free I want to tell you about. But let's jump into it. Are your Facebook and Instagram ads too expensive? Well, the way that we can compare ads towards each other with different interest groups, different targeting and stuff like that is via the CPM, cost per thousand impression, and it's usually there on your ad setup by default. But if it's not, then you can find it here under columns, and then I'll move this a little bit. Then you scroll all the way down. Then you can customize columns, and here you can find it there under cost, CPM there. Okay, now you know where to find it. But yeah, I want to tell you about some of the things that can influence the cost of the ads. And I made a little list here. First of all, it's the industry. Some industries are more expensive to advertise to than others. Some of the most expensive industries is something that has to do with finance. So you can compare different industries with each other. Some are just more expensive than others. Also, if you are advertising to a too small audience, that drives the cost up because you're limiting Facebook's algorithm in who to reach by limiting it to a small group of people. So that will drive the cost up also. Try to give it Facebook a bigger audience to reach, and your cost will go down. And usually Facebook is very good at finding the right people for you who's interested in your offer anyway. Also, if you have a boring ad creative, Facebook penalizes people or anybody who post also organically a boring ad creative by not giving it too much reach. But if we do it with an ad, then they just drive up the cost because Facebook wants to give the audience good and interesting content on Facebook. So the same way as a bad or boring ad creative will drive the cost up, then an interesting ad creative will drive the cost down. So make sure you have engaging content on your ads too. Also, if you're advertising the wrong season, for instance, if your product is specifically for one season, like if you're selling something for the summer and you're trying to advertise it during the winter months, then usually not too many people will be interested, and therefore it'll be harder for Facebook to reach the audience and the cost will go up then. Also, if you're only advertising to high net worth people, you're thinking maybe your product is a little bit on the high price end and you only want to reach the people who have a high net worth. But the thing is that those people that's what every advertiser wants to reach, and it's a very small group of people. So they are very expensive to advertise to. Try to expand the people that you want to reach, because maybe even if your product is very expensive, maybe there's still people that is not in the high net worth group. They may still be interested. They'll just spend a larger amount of their budget on it if they're really interested. Also, if you're targeting an expensive area, some areas are more expensive to target than others. USA is way more expensive than, for instance, India. And also some areas in the USA, like California or New York, they're the most expensive to advertise to. So also again, try to expand the area that you want to reach. But of course, if you're a local business or if you can only deliver in that area, then you have to, of course, only advertise in that area. Don't advertise in an area that you can't deliver your product to. That would just be a waste. Also the placement. Facebook or Instagram used to be cheaper than Facebook, but it's actually opposite now. Instagram is more expensive to advertise on than Facebook. So if you think that all your clients or customers will be on Instagram, then try to include Facebook anyway. It will drive your costs down, and Facebook is still good at finding the right people. You might get some clients or customers from Facebook too. So just use both platforms, and you'll get cheaper ads. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please comment below. Yeah, and then there was the free thing I want to offer you. I made a Facebook ad template especially for coaches and consultants. If you want to make your own Facebook and Instagram ads as a coach and consultant, you can download it completely free. I put the link in the description, so go there and download that. And if you have any questions, then comment below, and please share it with your friends, give it a like, subscribe, and if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram advertising for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me, there's a link in the description, or with my team. And also please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs, also link in the description. Take care, bye!